Today we're gonna repack the exhaust on the 125. So we're gonna come right in here and we're gonna take this side plate off. Well, first we're gonna take the seat off, then we're gonna take the side plate off, then we'll take the exhaust, and we'll go from there. There we go. I'll show y'all how to take this apart. I'm going to clean it up a little bit and stuff first, and then we'll come back. Bam! First try. So we'll just take these 3 bolts out the back. This part out of this part. Sometimes you can pull it, but oh, maybe we'll just be able to pull it out. All right, and it's not that bad. Actually, not nearly as bad as I thought it was. But anyway, we'll redo it. So, you can see like last time I did it, I just wrapped some, oh, it looks like painter's tape I used. I was going to say electrical tape, but now I can see it's just soaked with oil. But it was painter's tape I just wrapped around there to kind of keep it in. It is all crusty and pretty crusty. So we got some new stuff coming, should get here any minute now, and we will repack it. After we clean it all up. So that's good. So I like to get as much as I can picked out of there and all kind of a little bit cleaned out before I go and take a torch to it, unless you got to burn off. Be careful when y'all do this, because it can slip and cut you all up. Ouch, see? I take my pipe, put it right on there like that, take the torch, and go to work on it. I think I see Amazon. Yeah. Sweet. New packings here. Boom. Alright. Let's see. Fiberglassy. See how much I want there, which is going to be beautiful, and to wrap around it we want how much. That's going to go right in there perfectly, so we only need what, probably that much should be good. We'll see. We shall see. I think it should be. Well, I can see right through that. This stuff might work good. It's awfully dense. Much denser than like the stuff you order from FMF. So we'll see how it works. Definitely, guys, when you're doing this, always wear gloves and I do recommend long sleeves, but you don't need them. You really don't need either, but it does get a little itchy. So I just guessed on my length this way, but let's test it and see. So you're going to want to wrap it around your pipe really good. Stuff it down into here. And that is really nice. Perfect size. So I like to look, and my pipe goes on this way. It's going to kind of sit like that. So I like to put my seam at the top. I don't know if it matters, but I think you kind of have less spooge at the top than the bottom. So that's what I like to do. And of course I didn't bring my tape over here, so we're just going to try to see if we can show. Look at that. I might like this packing. Pretty easy to work with, I ain't gonna lie. I think that's partly because of how dense and stiff it is. So you want to look and kind of take your finger. I take my finger and line up your pipe with the end right here. Just kind of tap her down. Make sure your holes line up, and we're repacked. Let's put our bolts in. Bam. So let's get it back on the bike. Well, it's easy to get it on there and on, but what you have to do is get it in that rubber part and slid on there. But this is going pretty good. Just kind of wiggle. Back and forth until your whole line right here lines up, and then you're good to go. See, maybe if I can help one person out there repacking their exhaust, maybe get one tip they didn't see in another video or something. That's awesome. There we go. Doesn't take long at all if you don't break your rivet gun and have to redo rivets and all kind of stuff like that. Alright, after the new packing, let's see what she sounds like. Turn the gas on. Couple blips. Kicks like that, and woohoo! Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for subscribing. See y'all next time.